Hello lovelies, how are you guys doing today? It's Ada's Recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm going to share with you a simple and easy recipe. Okay, I'll be showing you how to make a traditional appetizer, kanda, pomo or cowskin ngwo ngwo. You're going to love it. Continue watching. For the ingredients, I have onion, pepper, scent leaf. I'm going to be shredding the scent leaf. Then I have uziza seed and ehul seed. I'm going to be pounding it into powder. Okay, you can also use other spices of choice. So the next here I have is cowskin, then ugba, ground crayfish, palm oil, Ngu Water. Okay, it's made out of plantain or palm ashes. So here are basically the ingredients I'm going to be using. So it's easy and simple. Let's get started. So in a pot, put the cow skin, then onion, chopped onion, seasoning cube, salt, Cameroon pepper dried, then add water. You're going to be cooking this until it's tender, okay? Cook until tender. So as you guys can see, it's almost tender and there is little water left in it. Pour it into a plate. Then it's time to prepare the sauce. Pour in some palm oil into the pot. Then add the Ngu Water, crayfish, onion, the uziza and the ehul seed, then pepper and seasoning cube, salt, then give it a stir. Add the ugba, then the cow skin, then give it a good mix. So guys, this recipe is so easy to prepare. Heat it up on a very low heat. So it's on a very low heat now. I'm going to be sprinkling some shredded scent leaves for flavor. Then give it a stir. Then guys, it's almost ready. Remove from heat and we are good to go. So it's an easy recipe you can just come up with. It's an appetizer you're going to love. It was so delicious. Garnish with onions and enjoy. So guys, that is it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. For the ingredients, check the description. Bye.